Hi, this is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101, and we're standing in front of the most beautiful high-rise that I've seen in quite a long time, and it's in Frisco, Texas. So many of you are used to seeing me go to wonderful looking high-rises that are in Victory Park or downtown Dallas or Uptown, but Frisco, Texas has a beautiful high-rise. Let's look at it. And by the way, it's 25 stories. This is a true high-rise, no fooling, and it's gorgeous. What we're going to do today is we're going to tour it inside. We're going to tour a couple of models. We're going to see the amenities that are on the top floor, the 25th floor, and we're going to get to enjoy this. And you're going to have a lot of fun seeing this. I can't wait to see it. So this is a beautiful high-rise. Let me tell you where it is too. So the location is awesome. If you go down this direction just a little bit, and I'm talking like 5 to 7 minutes walk, you're at the Star in Frisco, Texas. That's the home of the Dallas Cowboys, where they practice, and that's also where there's a lot of shops and restaurants. If you drive about 5 minutes or so, you're in West Plano. We're in Frisco right now, so great location. You're also about 7 or 8 minutes from Legacy West. So if your office is in the Legacy West area, such as JP Morgan Chase or Liberty Mutual or Boeing or some of the other firms that are there, fantastic location, and you'd have that just a quick drive. You're also super close to the North Dallas Tollway, and I'm talking just minutes. It's right over there if you can see in the distance. It's super close. So you can drive there, and you're on there in like 1 to 2 minutes, 2 minutes maybe. So beautiful location, great place, high rise. We're gonna walk in and we're gonna see what makes this an incredible place to live.